Mastering modal verbs, unraveling, may not, and might not. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dig deep into an essential part of English grammar: the negative forms of modal verbs, may and might. This video is dedicated to helping you understand the use of may not and might not, and how they can enhance your English communication skills. Firstly, let's clarify what may not and might not mean. Both of these phrases are used to express a negative possibility. When you say something may not or might not happen, you are suggesting that there is a chance that it won't happen. The difference between the two lies primarily in the level of uncertainty they express. Might not usually implies a higher degree of uncertainty than may not. For example, consider the following sentences. 1. She may not come to the party. 2. She might not come to the party. Both sentences express uncertainty about the same event, but the second sentence suggests a higher level of uncertainty. Understanding the meaning is just the beginning. Now let's see how we can use these phrases in various contexts. In requests or directives, may not is commonly used. For example, you may not use the computer until you finish your homework. When expressing uncertainty or possibility, both may not and might not can be used. For example, we might not go to the cinema if it continues raining. I may not have time to cook dinner tonight. Finally, here are a few tips and common mistakes to be aware of when using may not and might not. Remember the context. May not is more formal and authoritative, commonly used in rules or directives. Might not is less definite, indicating greater uncertainty. Avoid double negatives. When using may not or might not, ensure there isn't another negative in the sentence that could make it a double negative and confuse the meaning. For example, I might not never go there is incorrect and confusing. Instead, you should say, I might never go there. Contraction confusion. In spoken English and informal written English, may not and might not are often contracted to mayn't and mightn't. These contractions are less common in formal or academic contexts. And that wraps up our video on may not and might not. We hope this has clarified these important modal verbs for you. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. So, don't be afraid to use may not and might not in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Happy learning!